Hey everyone, it's Dawn here. I know, it sucks when I'm holding the phone because I shake. Anyways, distracted. Real quick, my car tire has a nail in it. So I have to take it to the shop and they're gonna fix it, yay for warranty. So I am gonna take my car to the shop, but I need to be able to get home. So my wheels that I can, let me rest here on this stool so I don't shake so much. So my wheels, oh now I'm falling down. My wheels that I can just quickly throw into the car without having to use a ramp would be my M10-3, M10-4, or the MCM5, which is actually my daughter's wheel. And so I think today I'll use the MCM5. It's a bit of a ride. I've done the ride on the M10-3 and the M10-4 before, so I'll do the ride on my MCM5 and see how that is. But I'm going to take this opportunity also to try out the Grizzla fairing plates. So this is what I've been doing so far, which is just real janky. All I did was stuck a piece of hook and loop onto here, and then I cut this like in the most horrible way. These are like the stock pads of one, because the MCM5 was one of the first wheels I got. Let's see, my first wheel I got with the RS19, and then I got the MCM5 for my daughter. So yeah, so my second wheel ever. So that was one of the stock pads and everything. So what we're going to upgrade to, the problem is that this bottom here has this hole and stuff, so you can't really stick anything to the bottom. Nothing really sticks down there very securely. So that's what the leveling plates are going to be for. And then we're going to upgrade to the little baby power pads that that Grizzla has, and I have this already on my M10-4, and then we'll stick this, it's stuck. We'll stick this onto the MCM5, and then I'll do my rides today back and forth from the shop, and then we'll have a good feel for how it's like, this upgrade. The MCM5, I know it's an older wheel, but it is, I love it because it is in that category of being able to lift it into the car without needing a ramp and just quick and easy, but it is a little more substantial than the M10s. So I think it still has a place in this world, yeah? So let's get started on this. All right, so I already started taking off the Velcro. This one is so high up, I want to see if I can leave that on and not have to tear the whole thing off. Here's my pry tool that I just got, and oh my gosh, I love this thing. It's so simple, but I pry things all the time. And I already tried prying it with my knife, which is what I usually would pry with, which isn't good. You see the chip on the knife? You're not supposed to pry with knives, but now I have this pry tool and I love it. I'm going to put, oh, remember, I have a new Amazon storefront, so I'm going to put all of this stuff, well, it's, all of this stuff should already be in there, the hook and loop that I use, and I'll add this in there as well. But this should only, did I break a nail? Oh my gosh. This should, this should only be on as a sticky, yeah, just a sticker basically. So, but look how easily this like just goes into there and it just pops right out. Beautiful pry tool. Anyways, so we can stick this somewhere else, I guess. Never mind, I'll think of that later. All right, so the Grizzla fairing system is basically this. You get two little pieces, and you're going to stick one in here and one over here. So I'll need to remove some of this for habit to make it fit. But you see how it just makes this flush now so that the Velcro can stick on. That's very simple enough. Let's see. Now the trick with removing the backs of this is just like what I just did. I don't know if that's really a trick, but sometimes it's a bit of a pain, especially when I start thinking about what I'm doing. And these shouldn't ever have to come off again. I really should clean surfaces before I do this, but I did not clean. Lazy today. It shouldn't take that much to stay on there, but I just usually just get kind of rough with one corner so that it'll like kind of crinkle up, and then I can pinch grab it, pull the rest of it out. And another way is to use a sharp knife, but I'm not exactly sure how they do that. Maybe like that, I don't know. Oh yeah, that works. Oh, okay. Ah, I keep touching the tape. Don't touch the tape. All right, you really should clean. Oh yeah, I was gonna pull this thing up. Oh, dang it. Okay, hold on. All right, so I got back from my ride, dropped off my car at the shop, got back from my ride. This is how the pads look like right now. Did a few other errands. Oh my gosh, the MCM5 is a really great wheel. I haven't ridden it in so long, but it's so much more stable and easy than the M10s. The M10s, I mean, the M10s are unparalleled when it comes to portability, but this is not that much bigger and not that much heavier, and it's a lot more stable and smooth. Oh, I feel hair tickling me. Anyways, so yeah, going over bumps and all that, you know, it's like no worries at all with the MCM5. This is the V2 as well, but everything's good. I love the little baby power pads. I think the baby power pads are just great for any little wheel, and it definitely fits well on the MCM5 and the M10s. So that is thumbs up for that. The fairing plate, super simple and easy, and that is thumbs up as well. And I'm glad to add a little more usability to this wheel, this already great and wonderful wheel. So there you go. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and check out my storefront. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, thanks to Grizzla too. They provided the pads and the fairing plates for the MCM5 for me to show you guys today. So thanks everybody. Love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.